We're off to Warner Brothers today. You don't look very excited.
Season 1 American Horror Story. Anyone want to get? You can. Do you want to jump out or? Yeah.
So we just got off the coach. We're on the way to Warner Brothers, but we've stopped here at the house from American Horror Story season 1. Let's get like a good shot of it. There you go. Must be like really weird if someone actually lives there, wouldn't it? Like imagine if you lived there and there's a bunch of like teenagers with cameras like going out and like looking at a house.
Yeah, they must like know.
But some people might not. We've just found out, apparently, sorry I do YouTube as well by the way. Yeah, apparently we've just found out the people who bought this house didn't know that this was from American Horror Story. How weird. Look, oh my goodness. So yeah, just adding to the attention of the house right now.
Thank you so much.
Oh
right here,
my god, I'm actually gonna cry.
There.
Do you not remember us talking about it last year, Helen?
I mean, yes, of course. We used to play the soundtrack all the time, didn't we?
And then we'd just start singing it, and someone would walk in and he'd be like, Oh my goodness. So we're in Smokehouse, which was where part of La La Land was filmed. It's where Emma Stone like walks through the door over there. Alright, where are you, door? No, you're fine. You're just gonna be in it now. She walks through the door, comes like down here, comes like over here, and like they make out. Ryan Gosling was here. Oh my god, look at this. I'm so excited. So excited. Can we? I actually really want to eat here. Look at the bar. This is incredible. Sorry, I'm like so excited. So excited. I can't believe we were just where Ryan Gosling was. I'm still not over it yet. I'm still not over it. Oh my god! So we are here at the Warner Brothers studio tour. I'm in cart C. I got a ticket, so excited. I'm not with any of these guys. What cart are you? C. Ah! So far I'm with all the teachers. But that's fine, I'm so like buzzing, I'm like ah! So yeah, very excited. Oh my god, this is so awesome. Can we go in there? Oh my god.
should have been going, not Slytherin, not Slytherin.
Is that? Oh my god, Robert Pattinson wore that. Oh my god. That's A's coat. I can't get over it. Oh my god. We're about to go on the Friends set. Oh my god.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke.
So these are costumes from My Fair Lady. Audrey Hepburn wore that. Casablanca. Oh my god, more My Fair Lady stuff. I love this musical. Oh my god. So we got like James Dean's outfit here from Rebel Without a Cause. I'm not sure who that is. Worn by Natalie Wood as Judy in Rebel Without a Cause. This is so cool. I'm like still not over the My Fair Lady stuff though. And these dresses are really pretty. Oh my god. They all look so pretty. How cool is that? Oh, I want to go on it. I thought that was a Bewley. Oh my god.
I think they use two, so he's got one and the other.
Yeah. So this is Phoebe's guitar from Friends, which is awesome. And you've got hardbound scripts of some awesome stuff here. Oh my god, wait, that's the guy who actually, that's Mr. Warner. That's cool. Oh, we've got some Harry Potter stuff here. Wands, Harry's glasses, books, that's cool. Oh my god, awards. So you've got like Emmys here, and then up there you've got an Oscar for Casablanca. You've got Batman, the animated series, an Emmy there for Outstanding Animated Series. You've got more awards. This is a Tony Award. Wow. That's a real life Oscar. How cool is that? Golden Globe, Wow. What's that? I've never seen that before. God, the Oscar for My Fair Lady. Wow. What's that for? Can't read it. Best picture. This is awesome. I'm like obsessed. And then you got Superman's cape. And this is Alice's favourite bit of the exhibition, Batman. Let me take a photo. So we're in Central Perk. You can't really see the sign. We're in like a fake Central Perk thing. And I've got this banana and strawberry smoothie. And Anna and I are sharing this Central Perk cupcake.
Time. Every time.
Hi Alex. That's so funny.
Time.
Oh my god.
Wedge dill pickle.
Ew.
So yes, how much do I?
Your drink with. So we're in the shop now. There is so much merchandise. Look, Ellen. I've got Ellen underwear. Oh, that's cute. The Ellen like cup. And mugs. Wow. We've got like magnets. And, oh my goodness. Mugs, t-shirts. Got capes. All the wands. These books are cool. Oh my god, look at all the Friends merch. Coffee, mugs, apron, hoodies. That looks like all Harry Potter stuff. Oh my god, all the Friends. This is my weakness right now. Big Bang Theory merch. Right, so you can't really see it, but see that like white brick building kind of over there? Like across the way. Let me get my finger ready. Sorry, I'm like holding my phone at the same time. Over like there. That's apparently from Psycho, the like Alfred Hitchcock film. And I can't be bothered to go get out and take a photo of it, so that's the best you're gonna get. Have you ever seen Psycho?
Yeah. Yeah, when we were doing Rear Window, I watched you do this film.
I mean, I've got it on DVD, but I haven't actually watched it.
If you have, it's the bit where she trades her car in when she's being followed by the policeman.
There you go. Bit of Psycho and Alfred Hitchcock news there, but did you have a good day at Warner Brothers?
Yes.
What was your favourite bit? The Batman bit, obviously.
Yeah. All the Batman cars.
My favourite bit was Friends and seeing the Big Bang Theory set, but unfortunately I wasn't allowed to film it or take photos of it. I would have loved that. But it was really good. So this is Butcher's apartment from Pulp Fiction. Not that I've seen that film either, but you know. Not. So that was Butcher's apartment from Pulp Fiction. Not that I've seen that film either. I recorded it on. It was on like Channel 4 or something, or Film 4, and I recorded it, but haven't actually watched it yet. So we're about to go to the office of like the American office. And there's like 2 dogs. Awesome. Yeah.
8 years invested total where I haven't even slept in this life.
Oh wow.
Yeah, all I've worked is 2 studios. And, yeah.
That is awesome. The office was like filmed here, and they like set up like the speed thingy here. Speedometer. Speedometer, that's what it's called. That's so cool. Wow. Wow.
Like, get away from me.
So that's Marty McFly's house from what's it? Back to the Future. I love that film. Absolutely love that film. How awesome! How awesome was that?
Yeah, it's awesome.
So this is from the 40-year-old version.
So did I.
So that was interesting. Yeah, 40-year-old virgin. Someone works there. I've watched it once, but it was a long time ago, so I can't remember it. Yeah, him. So we have come for dinner. We are at Booker. How do you say it?
I don't know.
Booker. How do you say it? Booker. What? Booker. Why can't I not find it on this thing?
Booker.
Ah, no, it's not.
Booker.
It says book a birth. I can know the book of it. I don't trust you. Booker de Pepper. Oh, screw it. I don't care.
Says it on his drum.
Ah, this place. This place. We've come here for dinner. Focus.
Are there any extra forks?
Focus. Okay. What? Have you not got a fork?
Extra forks.
Why do
From
you?
that butter.
You mean a knife, darling?
Yes.
So yeah, we come to Booker de Beppo's. No, that is in for the long haul. Yeah, we come to Booker de Beppo's. It's an Italian restaurant. That is so funny. Anyone got any spare forks? Yeah, but I think it's better that like the fork and the knife thing. I think that is better than this quality content.
I would like to see you try and put butter on with a fork.
Oh my god, yes please. What is wrong with you?
It's actually kind of easier because the fork breaks up the way.
Oh, I want some salad. Thank you. Oh, that looks so good.
I don't like anything in that.
Do you not eat lettuce?
No! Who eats leaves?
It's clearly a lot of people. So by the looks of it, we have a selection of 2 different pastas. No idea what either of them are. And then it looks like some chicken dish at the end. It's carbonara, isn't it? And then some like chicken dish on the end. Is it chicken parmesan? Parmesan? Parmesan. Parmesan. Oh, yum. And got pasta as well, sorted. Just use your fingers. That looks so good. So we're back in the hostel now. I'm come out into the corridor because firstly I went to the bathroom to get changed. But yeah, I wanted to say goodbye, good night. I've got a pile of clothes here because I've just got changed. I need to take my makeup off and do my teeth and all things like that, but I just wanted to come on here and say good night and thank you so much for watching this vlog. I had an amazing time. Didn't film too much at Warner Brothers as there's like a bit of a thing about you can't really film, which is understandable, but I did manage to get a few sneaky clips, so don't tell Warner Brothers. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, do give it a thumbs up. There are more vlogs coming. Tomorrow we're going to the Oscars, so we may see a few celebs. So do check out for that. Obviously in the future there will be Universal and Disneyland, so make sure you stick around for that. And yeah, I will see you next time with another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.